Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for commissions. First, let's set up your account. You'll need to create a PayPal business account, which offers features essential for professional transactions. This includes invoicing, tracking payments, and managing client interactions efficiently. It's a straightforward process that ensures you can receive payments securely and professionally, making it easier for both you and your clients. We'll cover the steps to get started right away, ensuring you're ready to accept your first commission. Setting up your PayPal business account is simple. Begin by visiting the PayPal website and selecting the business option. You'll provide basic information, then link a bank account or debit card for seamless transfers. Crucially, complete the verification process by confirming your identity and financial details. This step is vital as it helps lift initial sending and receiving limits, allowing you to handle larger commission payments without interruption. It ensures your account is fully functional and secure for all your business needs. Once your account is ready, sending invoices is key. Navigate to the Send and Request tab and choose Create Invoice. You can customize professional invoices with your branding, itemized services, and due dates. Your clients will receive a clear, secure link to pay directly through PayPal, often with just a few clicks. You can easily track the status of each invoice, seeing when it's viewed, partially paid, or fully completed. This streamlines your payment process, keeping everything organized and transparent. Understanding PayPal's fees is important. For most commission payments, expect a fee of approximately 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Always communicate these details clearly with your clients. PayPal also offers robust security features, including buyer and seller protection, so always use official channels. To ensure smooth transactions, maintain clear communication, provide detailed service descriptions, and keep records of all agreements. These best practices help protect both you and your clients, fostering trust and professionalism.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.